Imagine walking into an Apple store in the middle of 2026. You see the iPad Pro with its dazzling tandem OLED screen, and the iPad Air with its sleek M-series power. But tucked away in the corner is the device that is about to do something the Pro models never could. It's about to bring the future of artificial intelligence to the masses. The iPad 12th generation isn't just a budget tablet anymore. It is a calculated move by Apple to ensure that every student, every coffee shop writer, and every casual browser in the United States is locked into the Apple Intelligence ecosystem. For years, the base iPad was the leftover device, getting old chips and recycled designs. Imagine holding a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes a $3,000 professional workstation look like a relic from a bygone era. For decades, the tech industry has followed a predictable rule. If you want power, you need a giant, heat-spewing tower under your desk. If you want portability, you sacrifice performance. But something has shifted deep inside Apple Park. Internal documents, supply chain leaks from Taiwan, and the latest benchmarks from the N3P 3nm architecture all point to one terrifying reality for the PC industry. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just an update. It is a hostile takeover of the desktop market. If you are thinking about buying a computer today, I am telling you right now, stop. Everything you think you know about value and performance is about to be rewritten. We are entering the M5 era, and today, we are breaking down why the Mac Mini M5 is the most dangerous product Apple has ever built. Dangerous to Intel, dangerous to Nvidia, and honestly, dangerous to Apple's own high-end Mac Studio. The story starts with silicon. The M5 chip isn't just a spec bump, it is an architectural pivot. While the world was focused on the M4, Apple was quietly working with TSMC on the third-generation 3nm process. This isn't just a marketing label. This technology allows for a massive increase in transistor density while actually lowering the thermal footprint. This means the M5 can clock higher and stay there longer without the dreaded thermal throttling that kills performance in small PCs. But the real story isn't just the CPU. It's the neural engine. We are moving away from the cloud. In 2026, privacy is the ultimate luxury. Apple knows this. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be 3.5 times faster than its predecessor. We are talking about a machine that doesn't just support AI, it lives and breathes it. Imagine local image generation that happens in milliseconds, real-time video upscaling that looks like native 8K, and complex large language models. The kind that usually require a server farm, running entirely on your desk, offline, and instant. This is the first true AI-native desktop. Now let's talk about the Pro problem. For years, Apple has kept the Mac Mini in a box, literally and figuratively. They didn't want it to get too powerful because they needed you to spend double the money on a Mac Studio. But the leaks coming out of the J873 project suggest that the M5 Pro configuration is about to shatter that glass ceiling. We are looking at a projected 45% jump in graphical performance. This is the first time a base model desktop from Apple will feature hardware-accelerated ray tracing with a dedicated neural accelerator in every single GPU core.